Breaking news this morning in New York City, where another Trump legal battle is just beginning. The former president arrived a short time ago for the first day in his second defamation trial brought by writer E. Jean Carroll.
And this trial comes less than a year after a jury found Trump liable for sexually abusing Carroll at a New York department store in the 1990s. Now, unlike the last one, this trial will focus just on damages for defamatory remarks Trump made during and after his presidency.
NBC's Yasmin Vasugi is joining us from the courthouse. Also with us, Temidayo Aganga-Williams, former senior investigative counsel for the January 6th committee and former federal prosecutor, and state attorney for Palm Beach County, Dave Ehrenberg. Let's start there at the courthouse with Yasmin. Walk us through this trial and how it's different from the first one.
Guys, I just want to tell you, I'm having problems hearing you, just to let you know, because of, I think, the weather. But Iowa has certainly come to New York City, to say the least. The former president may have won in Iowa last night, but he's already lost here. And I'm going to tell you why. This is a defamation trial, right? This is not about relitigating the trial that happened in 2023. This is about defaming E. Jean Carroll after the New York Magazine article came out back in, I believe, 2019, right? So this is about a number. The jury basically has to figure out how much the former president needs to pay E. Jean Carroll for defaming her as he's continued to do so. I'm taking a look at my phone continuously because we're getting notes from inside the courtroom. Both Adam Reese, along with Lisa Rubin, is inside the courtroom right now. I'm being told the former president is inside the courtroom, along with E. Jean Carroll as well. E. Jean Carroll's about 2 rows in front of the former president. Right now, there's some back and forth with the former president's attorneys asking for this trial to be delayed because of the passing of Melania Trump's mother, and their funeral is going to be held on Thursday. However, Judge Kaplan has denied that delay of the trial. They're saying this thing is going to take about 3 days or so. The former president could feasibly testify on Monday if all goes according to plan. Whether or not that happens, though, is really in question because, again, Judge Kaplan has reiterated over and over again, this is not about relitigating those sexual assault claims that were made by E. Jean Carroll. That was already carried out in 2023 with that trial. So as I'm taking a look at the notes here, I'm being told the jury is now being brought in slowly because this is now about jury selection. And then opening statements will go on later on this morning as well. This is just a stop, really, for the former president after taking Iowa last night, where he will then go on to New Hampshire later this evening after being here in this New York City courtroom.